What's up, everybody? This is Tino again. I'm coming to you today with my ball cap on, number one, because I have not lined myself up in a while. I haven't lined myself up in a while because I'm super excited about the blades that I just got. They came in the mail maybe an hour ago. But and for the Andis T outliner, right? So I got these gold replacement blades. So they fit the GTO, they fit the T outliner, the GTX. So this is supposed to, like a gold colored titanium blade with the ceramic blade, which is supposed to make them run cooler. So I don't know if they will or not, but I'm excited to try it. So I just figured I'd record the whole thing. I'm going to take these off and put the replacement blade on. So if you need it, the part number there is 04521. That's for the standard T outliner blade. I ordered it on Amazon, and I'll put the link down in the description. But I'm just going to take these off really quick. I'll pop this blade off. Like that. Pop off my older blade. So this one's not dull. It's not brand new either. I'll cut a lot of heads with that one. It's not all the way dull. I might get it sharpened. I probably will. But I wanted to go ahead and get a new blade. I got another one on the way too. Another one of these. But I wanted to see how they hit. So you can see the ceramic blade on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's not all the way zero gapped. It's actually not even really that close. And I normally don't zero gap my clippers all the way out, but I get them a little bit closer than this because I use a razor to knock out everything else. So I'm just going to get this a little bit closer to zero. I should have brought a little bit more flat so I can see them. So what I did was unloosen these two screws so that I only unloosen them a little bit so I can scoot that blade down just a tiny bit. And I'll tighten these two back down. It feels lighter, the ceramic blade. You're gonna see them next to each other. It feels a heck of a lot lighter. It's a titanium, must be lighter too. I don't know, but let's see here. I'm excited about these though. If I can get them to sit on there. Let's do this. One. And there's two. So these are the ones that I skeletoned out on the other video. You can tell how much easier it makes it to do things like this, change the blades out. Tighten these down. They look pretty good. That's pretty close to 0. Let me make sure that it's not. Going to bite. Oh, that's what my hairline looks like right now. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab a mirror. I want to see what it does. Since we're right here. Let's see how it's hitting. It's hitting okay. Let me adjust this a little bit. The tension screw. So what that does is kind of lets you know how far, back and forth it's going to go. It sets a tension on this little curved metal piece. There we go. Let's see. They're hitting okay. I don't know if they're hitting much better than these right now. The box, I adjusted them a little bit, so. And they're not biting or anything. Here's a real test. Let's see if you can see the back. I can't even see the back right now. Well, all in all, I think they have potential. I need to get the gapping figured out and see what works best. This is a different shape than this blade, so this one's a little bit flatter. It seems like than the one that came with the T-outline out of the box. The ceramic blade, the moving blade. So